Oh, I've been waiting for these. Peep the logo on the box, you already know what time it is. As you can see, Nike social status and the quick brown fox pengram is written all over the box. And sticking with the school theme, they got the notebook paper on the inside. And here we got the social status Air Max Penny 1 Recess Edition. And make sure you put your name at the bottom of the box so nobody takes your pair. The black pair pays homage to the original Orlando Penny 1, and when I bust the materials check on this, the uppers are looking like a thick black suede with a furry lighter black suede tongue. The cream pairs got that nice suede on the uppers and the tongue too, but they also got this textured part. And the social status Nike logo on the heel. One of the coolest parts of this shoe are the Nike signs you can change up. So we got football, baseball, tennis, dodgeball, and I'm gonna say that yellow one is a tetherball. And they're supposed to be different balls you use on the playground at recess. And to make sure you drip Bayless with your Nike swooshes, they give you matching laces too. If you want to rock them without the swooshes, the blacks come with the OG Crackle swoosh, and the creams just got a black one. And they come with insoles that look just like the box. I like what James Whitner and Social Status did with these. Cool little story, quality materials, and some nice colorways. And we all been waiting for the Penny 1s to come back. I'm just glad they put some respect on this classic and did it right.